Hi guys, Zach here from the online business app. Wanted to let you know what our Oba Babes 100K Mastermind Leader Mentor Asia Love is up to. She just made over 5,270 in 1 week in passive income. Asia says so far, she has personally made over 31,000 in just a few months, and believe me when we say, we're just getting started. Dr. Vincent Ortega Jr.'s famous sales video is about to be dropped soon. We've been working non-stop and building this huge system together for 3 years, not including the 15 years that it took Vincent. 15 million of blood, sweat, and tears to put this incredible huge system together so we can help more people earn passive income. We did get to enjoy St. Patrick's Day weekend together. Sacrifice now so you can play forever later. Upgrade your wisdom, build a hyper-profitable, recession-proof business, and sharpen your skill sets, so you'll always continuously build passive multiple streams of income, simply by sharing what you learn, in our Tuesday Oba Bull Runners Club, at 8 p.m. CST, and Thursday Oba Babes Club at 11 a.m. CST, and invite your prospects to watch our Saturday Webby in real time, where 21 people stand a chance to win 100 each. So, if you are ready to learn more, then click the link below, comment, subscribe, and we will see you on the beaches of the moon.
What is going on, my friend? Nick Anderson here, coming to you from my condo out here in Miami, Florida. I hope you're having a great day or a great evening. You're receiving this private personal video message right now, delivered to you from one of my online business app approved affiliate marketing partners. I am paying them right now to add you as a friend, since you are part of my Facebook group with over 16,000 plus members, and I want them to personally invite you to make sure you never miss out on my co-partner and I's Saturday live events to learn how you can save 10K on your taxes, earn 10K or more per month online, and even win 10K in cash in our contest giveaways. Last month, we gave away over $15,000 to people in our Facebook groups. So if you want to attend our next Saturday event at 10 a.m. Central Standard Time, then all you need to do is respond back to this video, just saying yes. Please send me the link to register. And if you don't, no worries. Just act like you never saw this video, and they will move on to the next person inside of my 16,000 plus Facebook group. So I just want to say, hey, thank you for your time. I hope you're having an amazing and a great start to your 2023. I hope you're feeling blessed. I hope you're feeling bullish, and I look forward to seeing you on the webinar this weekend right here. I mean, that's my zesty mug up on the screen right here, but on the webinar this weekend, I hope to see your zesty mug on there so we can help you make more money online and give you more cash this year, moving forward into 2023 and 2024. So I will see you there this weekend. As always, stay bullish.